MiniMax H3 versus GPT-5. Which one is actually better? Here's the honest answer. This isn't really a fair fight because these two models do not even do the same job. Let me explain in the next 3 minutes. What is GPT-5? GPT-5 is OpenAI's large language model. It's built for text-based tasks, answering questions, writing, coding, research, and reasoning through complex problems. Since its original release, OpenAI has kept iterating fast, pushing out newer versions with better reasoning, larger context windows, and stronger coding performance. So when people say GPT-5, they are talking about a chat and reasoning AI, the kind you type a prompt into and get text, code, or analysis back. What is MiniMax H3? MiniMax H3 is completely different. It's a video generation model. You feed it text, images, audio, or even reference video clips, and it generates short AI videos, up to 15 seconds in up to 2K resolution, complete with synced stereo audio. It's built for things like ads, product demos, and social content, not for holding a conversation or writing code. So right away, GPT-5 makes text and reasoning, MiniMax H3 makes video. Head-to-head, where it matters. Since they do not overlap, the real comparison is which one fits your task. If you need writing, coding help, research, or an AI assistant, GPT-5 is your tool. It's a mature, general-purpose reasoning model with broad enterprise and developer support. If you need to generate video content, product shots, short-form clips, branded visuals, MiniMax H3 is built specifically for that, and it's priced aggressively compared to other video models on the market. Neither one can really replace the other. Asking which is better is a bit like asking whether a camera is better than a word processor. Verdict. So here's the bottom line. Want an AI to think, write, or code? Go with GPT-5. Want an AI to generate video from text, images, or audio? Go with MiniMax H3. If your workflow needs both, you can actually use them together. Write your script or prompt with GPT-5, then turn it into video with MiniMax H3. That is the real difference between MiniMax H3 and GPT-5. If this cleared things up, drop a like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point AI comparisons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.